Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. Let's have quick recap. In the previous class, we visited the Food Expo. We learnt about cuisines. We learnt about the famous dishes of different states of India, of Punjab, West Bengal, northeastern states, Bihar, UP, Rajasthan. We saw that Rahul went to the restaurants with his family. He enjoyed food over there. He met with the poor children. He didn't have proper food to eat. He understood the importance of food. He offered the mangoes to those poor children. We learned from this chapter that we should not waste our food and how can we keep ourselves mentally and physically fit and healthy. I gave you this assignment. Have you done this one? Make a list of food items of the different regions of India. Good. To complete this assignment, you can take help of this one. List of the famous food items of the different states of India is given here. See. And link of this one is also given in the description box. You can check from there, right? Complete this assignment on time, right? Without further ado, let's get started for the discussion. Now, we will learn about the desserts of India, right? See, first one, which sweet is it? Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a popular dessert of Maharashtra and it is made of flour, yellow gram and jaggery. Do you like this one? Do you like to eat sweets? I love to eat sweets. Now see, second one. Which sweet is it? Rasagolla is a popular dessert of West Bengal. It is made of Indian cottage cheese. I love to eat Rasagolla. Do you like to eat? Okay, next one, see. This is Balushahi. Balushahi is a popular dessert of Bihar. It is made of flour. It is deep fried and then dipped in sugar syrup, right? Now see. Next one, which sweet is it? This is Mysore Pak. It is famous in Mysore. Mysore is located in Karnataka state. It is made of flour, ghee and sugar, right? Now see next one. Which sweet is it? Laru. Laru is a popular dessert of Assam. Made of grated coconut and sugar and rolled into a ball. Do you like to eat this sweet? This sweet is so tasty. Now see next one. Gujia. We eat this sweet. We eat this dessert in Holi, right? Gujia is a common dessert of North India made of flour, grated dry fruits and coconut. Do you like to eat this one? Of course, we love to eat sweets. Now, all of you have understood about the desserts of India. Now see, we will participate in blockbuster activity. To participate in activity, really it's enjoyable. You will enjoy it. 12 boxes are given here. How many boxes are given here? 12 boxes. There is a letter in each box. First letter of the each answer is given in the each box and we have to complete them. I'll ask questions and those answers, those words should be started from these letters, right? Let's start. All of you are ready? Now listen. What is the first question? First question is, what does give us energy? What is the right answer? Your answer should be started from which letter? F letter. Now tell me, what is the right answer? Right answer is food. See, first letter of this word is F. Food gives us energy. So answer is food, right? Now come on the next question. Which nutrient help us to fight against infections and diseases? Tell me, what is the right answer? And your answer should be started from which letter? V letter. Tell me, what is the right answer? Right answer is vitamin. Vitamin is the right answer. Vitamin helps us to fight against infections and diseases, right? Now, come on the next question. Next question is, which food is the source of protein that helps in the growth of the muscles of our body? And your answer should be started from which letter? From P letter. Tell me, what is the right answer? See, right answer is pulse. Right? Pulse is the source of protein that helps in the growth of the muscles of our body, and answer is started from the P letter. So this answer is right, right? Now come on the next question. Name the spice that is commonly known as hing. Tell me, what is the right answer? And your answer should be started from which letter? A letter. What is the right answer? Hing. Right answer is Asafoetida, right? Asafoetida is the right answer. Now come on the next question. Next question is, what is the process in which raw food is converted into edible items? Tell me, what is the right answer? And your answer should be started from C letter. Answer is cooking. Right? Cooking is the process in which raw food is converted into edible items. So answer is cooking, and this word is started from C letter. Now come on the next question. Next question is question number 6. What do you use to add flavor to the food? What is the right answer? And your answer should be started from which letter? From S letter. So answer is spices, right? All of you got it? Now come on the next question. Next question is, which food items give us energy, such as wheat, rice and maize? Tell me, what is the right answer? And answer should be started from the C letter. Answer is cereals, right? Cereals such as wheat, rice and maize give us energy to work. Answer is cereals, right? Now come on the next question. Question is, what utensil is used to make chapati? Tell me, what is the right answer? And your answer should be started from which letter? From G letter. Tell me right answer. Guess. Right answer is griddle. Griddle is used to make chapati, and first letter is G, right? Now come on the next question. Which electrical appliance is used to cook the food with the help of baking method? And answer should be started from O letter. Tell me, what is the right answer? Right answer is oven. use oven to bake the food? And this answer, this word is started from the O letter, and this is an electrical appliance because electricity is used to run this appliance, right? Now come on the next question. Next question is, which method of cooking is used to cook the rice? And answer should be started from which letter? From B letter. Tell me, what is the right answer? Right answer is boiling. Right? This word is started from B letter, and we cook the rice to use boiling method. So this answer is right. Now come on the next question. Question is, which food is cooked with the help of boiling method? And your answer should be started from R letter. What is the right answer? Right answer is rice. Rice is cooked with the help of boiling method, right? Now come on the next question. Last question. This is the last question. Question is, give an example of the food item of the animal source. We get that food from the animal and color is white. And answer is started from the which letter? M letter. First letter is M. Tell me, what is the right answer? We get from the animal that food is, answer is milk, right? We get milk from the animals and first letter is M, and this is the animal source food item, so answer is milk. Milk is the right answer. All of you have enjoyed to participate in this activity. Such type of activity is very useful for you to revise all the concepts of this chapter. You have to practice this one. I'll also give you the link of this activity in the description box. You have to practice that one, right? Good. Now we will find out the hard words of this chapter, chapter number 3. See, I have found out the hard words of this chapter for you. So start from healthy. First word is healthy. Meaning of this word is in a good physical or mental condition, in good health. Next one is utensils, an instrument or device for domestic use, especially in the kitchen. We use utensils in the kitchen for cooking. Next one, cuisines, a characteristic style of preparing food. Next one, nutrient, a substance that provides nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth, like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, fats, minerals. Next one, cereal, a type of grass cultivated for its edible grains like wheat, rice, maize, oats. Next one, flavor, the distinctive taste of a food or drink. Like we use spices to add flavor to the food. Next one, essential, extremely important, very important. Edible, suitable for eating. Next one, raw means not cooked. Next, appliances, a device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task. Like oven is an electrical appliance because that device is used to perform a specific task to bake the food, and we use electricity to run that appliance, right? Next one is digested, breakdown in the alimentary canal into substances that can be absorbed and used by the body. All of you have done this one. Now pause the video and write down in your notebooks, right? Meanings of these hard words, and you have to also learn, right? Now see, this is your assignment. What is your assignment? Learn the hard words of chapter 3. Got it? This is your assignment. You have to learn the hard words and their meanings of this chapter. Chapter number what? Chapter number 3. Today, we have completed all the topics of this chapter. Now, it's time to wrap up the session. See you in the next class. Thank you.